Uter! Sorry. What's up, guys? This is Derrick Hudson, and we're gonna do a bike check. It's pretty cold outside. Starting with the proper Magnalite hub, laced to a proper rim. If you cannot tell, that is a white rim. Duo stunner tire with a tan wall. Colt half-link chain. There you go, buddy. Snafu Ola chain wheel in dark blue. 25 teeth. Profile BMX GDH cranks in raw. Odyssey twisted PCs. A Fly Alta top load stem in raw with a tree headset cap. Kink headset in blue. Awesome. Colt sect fork. Gay ass front wheel. Eastern curve monkey tire. Fly Montana 2 handlebars with a Colt sticker. I don't know why I put that up there. Odyssey Chase Hawk grips with the flanges removed. Pretty good grips. Haven't had a problem with them. It's my second pair. Animal bar ends in charcoal. We have a 2009 kink frame. I grinded off the cable guides. It's pretty neat. And I just actually painted the frame. It was another color. Mission PC combo seat with a gay seat clamp. Oh yeah, and an animal bottom bracket and smoke. And that about wraps up the bike check.